cool off. Good idea, Moby. Oh no, your ice cream is melting. What are some states of matter? Everything is made of matter. There are different states or forms of matter. Solids have their own shape. The particles that make up solids are packed close together and don't spread out or move much. Liquids flow and take the shape of their containers. The particles that make up liquids are spaced out a little more and can move around. That's why liquids can spread out more than solids. Gases also flow, but they take the whole shape of their containers. The particles that make up gases can spread out and move a lot. Matter can change from one state to another. Like your ice cream. How can a solid change into a liquid? Heat is an energy that can change matter. Your ice cream is heating up in the sun, so it melts and changes from a solid into a liquid. It's like what happens in the winter when we get a lot of ice and snow. When the temperature goes up, the ice melts and turns into water. Not everything melts when it heats up, but ice cream definitely does. I know things can heat up, but they can also cool down. How can a liquid change into a solid? When water comes out of the faucet, it's a liquid. But if you put water into a freezer, it'll turn into ice, which is a solid. When something freezes, it loses some of its heat and its temperature goes down. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Water can turn into a solid, but it can also turn into a gas. How can a liquid change into a gas? Hey, the water's boiling. Spaghetti will be ready soon. Look, the water's boiling and steam is coming out of the pot. When something evaporates, it changes from a liquid to a gas. When you boil water, its temperature goes up and changes into a gas. When you hang up wet clothes, they dry because the water evaporates into the air. If a liquid can turn into a gas, how can a gas turn into a liquid? This is some heat wave. Thanks, Moby. Look, there's water on the outside of this glass. It might look like lemonade is leaking from the glass, but it's not. Water vapor is the gas state of water, and even though we usually can't see it, it's in the air. When water vapor touches a cooler surface, it can condense into a liquid. When something condenses, it changes from a gas to a liquid. I guess it's just too hot for ice cream, Moby. You refroze the ice cream? Are you really gonna eat that?